Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RCA Universal Remote is probably one of the most versatile and convenient gadgets you can add to your home entertainment setup, capable of consolidating all your disparate controllers into one sleek device, thereby decluttering your coffee table and simplifying your movie nights. Imagine effortlessly switching between your TV, soundbar, Blu-ray player, and streaming devices with a single, intuitive remote, eliminating the frustration of searching for the right controller or juggling multiple remotes. This device promises to streamline your experience, making technology work for you rather than against you, and enhancing your overall enjoyment of your home theater. Number 5. GE Blue Backlit Universal Remote Control, for device. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote can control up to 4 devices, including your TV, Blu-ray player, cable box, and soundbar. It's compatible with thousands of audio and video devices from all major brands. Get seamless control for your home entertainment setup. This remote is pre-programmed for Samsung TVs, making setup a breeze. Just add batteries and you're ready to go. Setup is simple with automatic code search or direct entry. Plus, master volume control lets you adjust audio regardless of the device you're using. Never miss a button again, even in the dark. The blue LED backlighting illuminates each key for easy operation in dimly lit rooms. Its elegant brushed black finish complements any home decor, adding a touch of classic style to your living space. What we like. If you often find yourself fumbling for the right button in the dark, the blue LED backlighting on this remote is a game changer. It also offers control for up to 4 devices, making it a great all-in-one solution for a complex home entertainment setup. If you're looking for convenience and a touch of style, this is the one for you. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and program. It works with a wide range of devices, including TVs, DVD players, and soundbars. The buttons are well spaced and easy to press. Number 4. Philips Universal Remote Control SRP 9232D27. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote can control up to 3 audio and video devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and soundbars. It works with thousands of devices from all major brands. You can easily find the right codes for your audio and video equipment. Get started right away. The TV and streaming device buttons are pre-programmed for Samsung TVs and Roku boxes, making setup a breeze. Setting up is simple. Just add batteries and use the automatic code search or direct entry. You can even control volume from any device. Its classic black finish complements any home decor. The compact and ergonomic design ensures it fits comfortably in your hand for easy use. What we like. For those who prioritize a comfortable grip and quick access to their favorite streaming services, this remote is an excellent choice. It's pre-programmed for both Samsung TVs and Roku, simplifying setup for many users. If you're looking for a reliable remote that feels good in your hand and gets you to your content faster, consider this option. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and program. It works with a wide range of devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and soundbars. The design is sleek and comfortable to hold. Number 3. Acoyer 2-pack replacement remote for Roku TV. Never worry about losing your remote again with this convenient pack of 2 replacement remotes. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Roku TV. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go, no complicated pairing or programming required. These remotes are specifically designed for a wide range of Roku TV models from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, and Sharp. Please check the list for exact compatibility. Please note that these remotes are for Roku TVs only and are not compatible with Roku sticks, Express, or other streaming boxes. Navigate your favorite apps with ease using the dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy precise control from up to 30 feet away. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and unlimited return service. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns. What we like. If you have multiple Roku TVs in your household or simply want a reliable backup, this 2-pack is incredibly convenient. It's designed specifically for Roku TVs and features shortcut buttons for quick access to apps. If you're a Roku TV household and want ease of use and value, this pack is hard to beat. What people say. It is a good remote and works well. This remote is easy to set up and use. The remote is compatible with a wide range of devices. Number 2. Rca Platinum Pro Universal Remote. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed to simplify your entertainment setup. It can control your TV, satellite or cable box, and even your DVD or VCR player. It seamlessly replaces and consolidates most major remote brands, ensuring compatibility with your existing devices. Setup is a breeze, making it easy to get started. Enjoy expanded DVR capabilities and support for all major TV brands. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. Finding the right codes is simple with its auto code search, brand manual code searches, and direct code entry options. It simplifies device setup with multiple search methods. Experience reliable control with its long-range infrared technology. This device is built to make your home entertainment experience smoother and more convenient. What we like. When it comes to simplifying your entertainment center, this remote excels with its easy setup options, including auto code search. It offers control for up to 3 devices and boasts a long-range infrared signal. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss remote that reliably controls your main devices, this is a solid pick. What people say. The remote is easy to program and set up. It works with a wide range of devices, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and soundbars. The backlit buttons are a nice feature for using the remote in the dark. Number 1. Rca 3-Device Universal Remote, Black. Take command of your entertainment with this universal remote. It's designed to simplify your setup by controlling multiple devices. Easily navigate your channels and settings, even in low light. The partially backlit keypad ensures you can find the right button when you need it. This remote is compatible with a wide range of devices. It can control your TV, satellite, cable box, DTC, DVD player, or VCR. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its ergonomic and thin design. It feels great in your hand, making extended use a pleasure. Please note that this model has been updated from RCRN03BZ to RCRN03B. Rest assured, the product and packaging remain exactly the same. What we like. This remote offers a sleek, thin design that fits comfortably in your hand, along with a partially backlit keypad for easier use in low light. It controls up to 3 devices, making it a good option for a streamlined setup. If you appreciate a minimalist aesthetic and need a functional remote for your essential devices, this could be the perfect fit. What people say. The remote is easy to set up and program. It can control multiple devices, including TV, DVD player, and soundbar. The buttons are well spaced and easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.